Hi, this is Debra Arbuthnot, author of the Homeschool Complete series. The curriculum enables experienced or inexperienced homeschool parents to achieve success. My hope is that by doing all of the planning for you, it will allow you to spend more time with your child instead. The teacher's manuals are organized with a table of contents and school year overview in the introduction section with a list of skills that your child will cover in each grade level. I give suggestions for teaching procedures, organization, and planning so that homeschooling doesn't seem quite so overwhelming. Each unit has a theme, and all the subject areas are integrated with the theme. The lesson plans for every subject are included in one teacher's manual. Because the manual is bound in a 3-ring binder, it opens flat, or the pages can be removed easily for daily use. The teacher's manual includes the student workbook pages that will be used for written practice. The manual can be used as a portfolio of your child's work for the year. The appendix includes additional resources for teaching, as well as a literature and materials list for the semester. Choose to have a stress-free year with a curriculum that truly is a complete, open, and go program.